In the Opano region of eastern Ecuador, archaeologists have made a groundbreaking discovery in the Amazon rainforest, a colossal ancient city dating back 2,500 years and inhabited for a millennium, unveiling homes that once accommodated around 10,000 people. The site, nestled beneath a volcano, is believed to have prospered due to its strategic location, enhancing soil fertility for agriculture. Professor Stephen Rostein, leading the research for France's National Centre for Scientific Research, emphasizes the need to revise conventional notions of civilization, challenging Eurocentric perspectives.